My video guide is about getting rid of the adware called ParameterBuffer. ParameterBuffer is the adware attacking many Mac computers these days. ParameterBuffer adware is from the adload family. This particular adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if this parameter buffer was somehow installed to your computer, it's time to get rid of this adware. Check your applications, find this parameter buffer, right click on it and move it to the trash. I would also recommend you to additionally examine your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the site combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install the software and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove other infections from your device. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.